Good morning, children. Children, we have come to the brain teasers part of chapter multiplication. Already we have completed till page number 104 and now we will be doing the brain teasers which is on page number 105. Let's begin. Brain teasers. Now why this name has been given, do you know? Brain teasers means the questions that storms your mind, the question that storms your brain, and it helps you to think over. ऐसे क्वेश्चंस जो आपको सोचने पे मजबूर कर दे, वैसे क्वेश्चन ब्रेन टीजर्स में दिए जाते हैं कि आप बार बार उसे सोचें, समझें और तब उसे सॉल्व करें. Let us move to question number 1, sum number 1. Write the multiplication facts for each. Now you can look at the picture here. Can you see 3 boxes are given? 1, 2, 3. That means how many times this is getting repeated? This is getting repeated 3 times. कितनी बार ये रिपीट हो रहा है सेम चीज? ये 3 बार रिपीट हो रहा है. सो 3 टाइम्स, 3 बार. और हर बॉक्स में कितने ट्रायंगल्स हैं? हाउ मेनी ट्रायंगल्स आर देयर इन ईच बॉक्स? देयर आर 2 ट्रायंगल्स इन ईच बॉक्स. सो 3 टाइम्स 2. So what would be the answer? 3 times 2 means 3 into 2. That is 3 times 2 means 3 2s are 6. 2 is being repeated 3 times. 2 3 बार रिपीट हो रहा है. तो अगर 3 बार रिपीट हो रहा है तो कितना हो जाएगा? That would be 6. So 3 times 2 means 3 2s are 6. So you will write here 6. Now come to the second part. Now what is the second part? The second part is how many boxes are here? First count the boxes. How many times this box is getting repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4 times. 4 times this is getting repeated. And what are the things which are getting repeated? The circles. How many circles are there in each box? हर बॉक्स में कितने सर्कल्स हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In each of the box there are 6 circles. That means 6 circles are being repeated 4 times. 4 बार 6 circles repeat हो रहा है. So that would be 4 times 6. 4 times 6 means 4 6 are 24. So 4 times 6 means 6 is being repeated how many times? 6 is being repeated 4 times. So you will write here 4 into 6 and that would come to 24. Okay? So we have done the first 2 sums of question number 1, sum number 1. Now let us move to the second question. Second sum. Fill in the blank squares. See, squares are there. Can you see? These boxes are there, squares are there and they are empty. ये खाली squares हैं. आपको इसमें fill करना है. इन खाली boxes में, इन empty boxes में आपको number fill करने हैं. Fill in the blank squares with the product as indicated of the numbers. आपको इन boxes में प्रोडक्ट फिल करने हैं और कैसे करने हैं? जैसे कि यहाँ पर दिया गया है. आप देखिए यहाँ पर मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन है. कैन यू सी हियर? हियर द नंबर्स आर देयर एंड मीन्स द नंबर्स आर हियर हॉरिजॉन्टली, द नंबर्स आर हियर वर्टिकली. जब आपके लेफ्ट साइड से राइट साइड में नंबर्स लिखे हुए हैं ऐसे, these are called horizontal. And when the numbers are from top to bottom, ऊपर से नीचे की तरफ नंबर लिखा हो तो वो कहलाता है वर्टिकल. आप देखिए यहाँ पर एरो कैसे दिए हुए हैं. आपको यहाँ पे क्या करना है, एक नंबर यहाँ से लेना है, एक नंबर यहाँ से लेना है. फर्स्ट नंबर यू हैव टू टेक फ्रॉम दिस लाइन and the first number you have to take from this line, and then you have to multiply both of them. ठीक है, एक नंबर हॉरिजॉन्टल रो से लेना है, एक नंबर वर्टिकल से लेना है. ओके, ये जो है जो लेफ्ट साइड से राइट साइड की तरफ नंबर्स जा रहे हैं. सी दिस इज योर लेफ्ट हैंड. ओके, दिस साइड इज योर लेफ्ट. सी दिस साइड इज योर लेफ्ट हैंड. फ्रॉम हियर to this side is your right hand. So from left to right, when the numbers are being written, then that is called horizontal. And this is the top and this is the bottom. ये ऊपर है, ये नीचे है. ऊपर से नीचे जब नंबर लिखा गया है then this is called vertical. आपको क्या करना है, एक नंबर हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन से लेना है, एक नंबर वर्टिकल से लेना है और इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई कर देना है. यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई देम. सो 4 3s इज हाउ मच? 4 3s इज 12. नाउ कम टू द सेकेंड वन. वी विल टेक वन नंबर फ्रॉम हियर एंड वन नंबर फ्रॉम हियर. दिस नंबर विल गेट रिपीटेड. ओके, बिकॉज फ्रॉम विथ 3 ओनली यू आर गोइंग टू मल्टीप्लाई ऑल दिस नंबर. 3 से ही आपको इन सभी नंबर्स को बारी बारी से मल्टीप्लाई करके लिखना है. तो आप पहला नंबर 4 आपने लिया, 4 को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, 4 3s 12 हो गया. अगला नंबर आप 1 लेंगे, 1 को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, 1 3s 3. फिर उसके बाद वाला नंबर आप 6 लेंगे, 6 को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 6 3s 18. फिर उसके बाद वाला नंबर आप 7 लेंगे, 7 को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 7 3s 21. फिर उसके बाद वाला नंबर आप 0 लेंगे, 0 को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 0 3s 0. नाउ विद दिस वी हैव कंप्लीटेड द सेकेंड लाइन. नाउ लेट अस मूव टू द थर्ड लाइन. नाउ इन द थर्ड line you can see the number again is 4, and what you have to do, you have to now multiply 4 with the second number of the vertical line. आप 4 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? आप 4 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. एक नंबर यहाँ से लेना है और दूसरा नंबर तो 2 है ही. सो 4 into 2, 4 2s how much? 4 2s is 8. Again we will take one number from here and we will multiply it with 2. अब जितने नंबर्स यहाँ पर हैं इन सारे नंबर को बारी बारी से 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. 1 by 1 we will multiply each number which is here in this line with 2. Okay? पहली बार 4 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिए. अब क्या करेंगे? 1 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 1 2s 2. Now the third number. What is the third number? Third number is 6. So 6 2s 12. So here we will write 12. What is the fourth number? Fourth number is 7. So 7 2s 14. What is the fifth number and the last number here? Fifth number and the last number here is 0. So 0 2s any number which is multiplied by 0 is 0. This you all have studied children, isn't it? आप सबने पढ़ा है ना कि किसी भी नंबर को अगर 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो वो 0 हो जाता है. So 0 2s are 0. Now the third line. We have already completed the second line. We have completed the third line. And now we will be doing the fourth line. Okay. Now again the number is 4 and we have to multiply 4 with 10. So 4 tens are how much? 4 tens are is 40. Again the second number we will multiply. 1 tens are is 10. Then we will multiply the third number. 6 tens are is how much? 6 tens are is 60. Now we will multiply the fourth number. 10 sevens are 70. And finally we will multiply it with 0. And we all know that any number multiplied with 0 would be 0. So 10 zeros would be 0. So with this we have completed the third line. In fact this is the fourth line. This is the first line, second line, third line and the fourth line. But as we are filling the blanks, so you can call it the third line also, because we are filling the third line. This line is already written. Okay. Now we have completed the first sum of question 2. Now let us do the second sum. The second sum has also been done in the same way. This is nothing different. The same thing has been given. Numbers have been given horizontally. Numbers have been given vertically. And you have to multiply those numbers. So 6 8s are 48. 6 10s are, here what you have to do is, here you have to multiply 10 with 6, 9 with 6, 2 with 6. Okay. All the numbers that are in the first line, you have to multiply all the numbers with 6. So 10 6 are 60. Then the next number is 9. 9 6 are 9 6 is 54. And then the last number is 2. So 2 6 is how much? 2 6 is 12. So with this we have completed the first line. Okay. In the same way we will move to the second line also. Same thing we will do once again. We are going to multiply all the numbers that are here with 7. जितने numbers यहाँ पर हैं, इन सब को किससे multiply करना है? 7 से multiply करना है. Okay? So, let us start. First we will multiply 8 with 7. 8 7s are 56. So, we will write here 56. Then we will come to the second number. Second number is 10. And we will multiply 10 with 7. 10 sevens are 70. Then we will move to the third number. 9 sevens are 63. And finally we will multiply the last number 2 with 7. So that will come to 2 sevens are 14. So we will write here 14. Now we have completed the second line also. Now let us move to the last line. The number is 8. We will multiply 8 with the number 8. So 8 8s are 64. We will write here 64. Then we will multiply 10 with 8. So 10 8s are would be 80. 10 8s are would be 80. And then this answer has already been given. We do not need to do anything here. 8 9s are is 72. That has already been written. In this sum also you can see one of the number has been written. Here also they have done the same thing. One of the numbers they have written here. and the last number is 2. We will multiply 2 with 8. So 2 8s would be 16. Now with this we have completed the third line also. Now this way we have completed sum number 1 as well as sum number 2. Both the questions, sum number 1, sum number 2, we have done. Now what you are going to do is, you are going to do sum number 1 as well as sum number 2. Both of them you will do it as classwork. Okay? Sum number 1 and sum number 2 you will do it as classwork. And the remaining sums, sum number 3 and sum number 4 of the next page. This is sum number 4. These two sums you will try it out in your rough copy. I am not going to explain you anything of sum number 3 and 4. I am leaving it up to you. You read it out yourself and try to solve it yourself without taking the help of any member of your house. Let me see whether you can solve it yourself or not. You will solve it in your rough copy. Okay? You will not do it in your fair copy. You will solve it in your rough copy, and let me see how many of you are able to do it yourself. Thank you.